One of the first and most significant changes to the 21st century Air Force was the creation of Air Combat Group. In 2002, the hard-hitting combination of Tactical Fighter Group and Strike Reconnaissance Group moved one of the world's longest established air forces beyond the concept of organising around specific fighter and bomber aircraft types into thinking of structured forces in terms of air combat capability. Headquartered at Williamtown in the Hunter region of New South Wales, Air Combat Group is one of 6 force-element groups in Air Command. Air Combat Group provides a single command structure for all the Air Force's fast jet combat aircraft. With the combined combat capabilities of the F-111 and FA-18 aircraft, Australia has demonstrated its ability to control the air and conduct precision strike missions. The group is controlled through its headquarters element and comprises 3 operational wings. Number 78 Wing is the group's training wing and conducts the technical training of ground crews for all Air Combat Group aircraft types at Number 278 Squadron and aircrew operational flying training on the Hawk 127 jets of Numbers 76 and 79 Squadrons. Number 81 Wing delivers the group's operational capability to control the air using Numbers 3, 75 and 77 Squadrons. With their multi-role FA-18 aircraft, these squadrons also conduct ground attack and strike missions. Number 81 Wing also conducts aircrew operational flying conversion and fighter combat instructor training using the 2-seat Hornet jets at Number 2 Operational Conversion Unit. Number 82 Wing can strike long-range targets with precision weapons and carry out reconnaissance with Numbers 1 and 6 Squadrons. Throughout 2010 and 2011, Number 82 Wing will be progressively introducing the FA-18F, Australian Super Hornet, to the RAAF inventory, enhancing the Australian Defence Force's strike and attack capability and enabling the F-111 platforms to be withdrawn at the end of 2010 after 37 years of service. Number 82 Wing also oversees the Forward Air Control Development Unit, which is the Australian Defence Force's Centre of Excellence for Joint and Coalition Offensive Air Support and is responsible for training the ADF's Joint Terminal Attack Controllers. In each role, there have been remarkable operational benefits from the merger. Through Air Combat Group, Australia can deploy composite air combat power in a prompt, effective and highly integrated manner. 129 aircraft and more than 2,000 support personnel and aircrew are based across Australia. The group is responsible for all of Air Force's FA-18 Hornet, F-111 and Hawk 127 squadrons, plus PC-9 forward air control aircraft. The group's units are based at Williamtown, New South Wales, Pearce in Western Australia, Tyndall, the Northern Territory and Amberley in Queensland. Since its formation, Air Combat Group squadrons have experienced a high level of operational activity. FA-18s were deployed to provide air defence as part of Operation Slipper, the international coalition against terror in Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean. During Operation Guardian 2, the jets were overhead to protect the Commonwealth heads of government meeting in southeast Queensland. Air Combat Group personnel, including a Hornet squadron, joined the international coalition during the conflict in Iraq, Operation Falconer. They protected high-value assets, including vital airborne early warning and control aircraft. The jets flew close air support mission for ground troops and were used to attack key military targets in Iraq. More recently and closer to home, their missions have included support to Operation ACOLYTE, the Melbourne Commonwealth Games in 2006, and keeping watch over the Sydney APEC Summit in Operation Deluge. The ability to fly and fight comes from intense training for the air and ground crews who can be ordered to take their aircraft into combat. From Australia's top end with exercise Pitch Black to the remote Alaskan ranges or the Nevada deserts during exercise Red Flag, Air Combat Group develops and tests its skills and develops its tactics to deliver air combat power anywhere in the world.